Edmunds just did what most buyers don't have the time, money, or patience to do. They tested, compared, and ranked the entire SUV market to determine the 7 best SUVs you can buy for 2026. Not based on hype or brand loyalty, but on real-world ownership factors like reliability, long-term costs, safety, technology, and value. And here's the problem. The SUVs most people assume are safe bets didn't even make the list, while a few unexpected models beat out vehicles that cost far more to own. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which SUVs are actually worth your money in 2026, which popular choices quietly disappoint owners over time, and why Edmunds' #1 pick completely rewrites the rules of what best really means. And the first SUV on this list sets the tone for everything that follows, because it reflects exactly what Edmunds is prioritizing right now. The Mazda CX-70, premium value without luxury costs. The 2026 Mazda CX-70 earns its 7th place on Edmunds' list because it delivers something many SUVs promise but few actually achieve. A premium feel without premium. Ownership pain. Mazda positioned the CX-70 as a 2-row alternative to larger 3-row SUVs, which immediately works in its favor for long-term usability, efficiency, and cost control. What stands out is how refined this SUV feels the moment you drive it. The cabin quality is closer to Lexus than mainstream competitors, with excellent materials, thoughtful design, and a layout that prioritizes visibility and comfort over flashy gimmicks. Edmunds consistently rewards vehicles that feel good to live with every day, and the CX-70 checks that box easily. Under the hood, Mazda avoids risky trends. The available powertrains focus on smooth delivery and durability rather than pushing extreme outputs. That matters for buyers planning to keep their vehicle well beyond the warranty period. Combined with predictable maintenance costs and strong safety technology, the CX-70 presents a low-stress ownership experience that aligns perfectly with Edmunds' long-term scoring criteria. On the road, the CX-70 strikes a rare balance. It's composed and comfortable during daily driving, yet noticeably more engaging than most SUVs in this class. That driving confidence, paired with Mazda's reputation for reliability and strong resale value, makes the CX-70 an easy recommendation for buyers who want something that feels upscale without committing to luxury brand repair bills. In a market crowded with oversized, overcomplicated SUVs, the 2026 Mazda CX-70 stands out by doing less and doing it better. It's exactly the kind of vehicle Edmunds elevates when ranking the very best SUVs you can buy. The CX-70 focuses on refinement and balance. But the next SUV on Edmunds' list is built for buyers who care far more about what happens when the pavement ends. The Honda Passport, the SUV most buyers ignore. The 2026 Honda Passport lands at #6 because it's built for people who actually use their SUV, not just like the idea of one. It's often overlooked, stuck between the smaller CR-V and the 3-row Pilot. But that middle child position is exactly what makes it so compelling in real-world ownership. Unlike many modern SUVs that rely on small turbocharged engines, the Passport sticks with a proven naturally aspirated V6. That matters for long-term durability. Fewer forced induction components mean less complexity, lower repair risk as the miles add up, and a drivetrain that's proven itself over hundreds of thousands of vehicles. Edmunds consistently favors powertrains that hold up over time, and this one does. Where the Passport really separates itself is capability. This isn't a crossover pretending to be adventurous. The available all-wheel drive system includes real hardware, including a lockable rear differential and terrain-specific drive modes designed for snow, sand, and mud. That's a sharp contrast to many competitors that offer off-road-looking trims with aggressive tires but no meaningful mechanical advantage underneath. On the road, the Passport remains smooth, quiet, and easy to live with. But when conditions get rough, it has the traction and ground clearance to back up its appearance. It's a rare combination of everyday comfort and genuine capability, and one that Edmunds rewards heavily in its rankings. From a financial standpoint, the Passport makes sense long after the new car smell fades. Simpler engine design, strong reliability history, and Honda's consistently high resale values help keep ownership costs predictable. For buyers who want a durable SUV that can handle real use without turning into a long-term headache, the 2026 Honda Passport earns its spot near the top of Edmunds' list. Now, let's shift from rugged capability to something families care about even more: space, efficiency, and ownership costs that don't spiral over time. The Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. Big space, smaller mistakes. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid earns its 5th place on Edmunds' list because it solves a problem many families don't realize they have until it's too late: choosing between space and long-term ownership costs. This SUV delivers both without forcing buyers into a full-size vehicle or the financial gamble of an all-electric alternative. What separates the Grand Highlander Hybrid from the regular Highlander is how effortlessly it handles real family life. The third row is genuinely usable for adults, not just kids, and the cargo space behind it remains practical, even with all seats in place. Edmunds consistently rewards vehicles that don't fall apart once passengers and luggage are added, and this one holds up under real-world conditions. The hybrid powertrain is the real story here. Toyota's hybrid systems are among the most proven in the industry, and in a vehicle this size, the fuel savings add up quickly. Owners get strong acceleration, smooth operation, and fuel economy that rivals much smaller SUVs without the range anxiety or long-term battery concerns that still come with full EVs. From an ownership perspective, this SUV checks every Edmunds box: predictable maintenance, strong reliability history, excellent resale value, and insurance costs that stay reasonable for a 3-row family vehicle. It's built for buyers who plan to keep their SUV well past the warranty period, not flip it every few years. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid isn't flashy, and it doesn't try to be. It's efficient, spacious, and engineered to age well. Exactly the kind of SUV Edmunds elevates when ranking the very best options for 2026. But not every buyer needs 3 rows. And for those who live where weather actually matters, the next SUV plays a very different game. The Subaru Outback: reliability and everyday usability. When Edmunds finalized their ranking of the 7 best SUVs for 2026, the Subaru Outback landed at number 4 for one simple reason: it delivers real-world capability without the compromises most SUVs make. It doesn't chase trends, it doesn't inflate its price with gimmicks, and it doesn't charge extra for features buyers actually need. Every 2026 Outback comes standard with Subaru's full-time symmetrical all-wheel drive. No upgrade packages, no hidden trim requirements. And that matters because consistent AWD performance isn't just about confidence. It directly impacts winter safety, traction in bad weather, and long-term ownership risk. In snow states especially, vehicles like the Outback tend to experience fewer weather-related incidents, something insurers and long-term cost analyse don't ignore. Edmunds also factors durability heavily into its rankings, and the Outback's track record speaks for itself. These vehicles are routinely driven well past 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. And because the Outback avoids overcomplicated luxury tech, it ages more gracefully than many competitors. Fewer failures, fewer expensive surprises. Then there's the day-to-day reality: excellent visibility, a comfortable ride, a wide, usable cargo area that doesn't sacrifice practicality for style. The Outback feels straightforward and honest, a vehicle designed for people who actually use it, not just lease it for appearances. That combination of standard AWD, proven longevity, and lower ownership stress is exactly why Edmunds placed the 2026 Subaru Outback in the top 4. If the Outback wins on all-weather confidence, the next SUV wins by being nearly impossible to kill. The Toyota RAV4. Why boring wins? The 2026 Toyota RAV4 lands at number 3 for a reason that might surprise some buyers. It wins by not trying to be exciting. This is the definition of what people often call an appliance car. And in the world of long-term ownership, that's not an insult, it's a compliment. The RAV4's reputation for crossing 200,000 miles and beyond isn't marketing hype, it's backed by years of real-world data and owner experience. Toyota prioritizes durability, consistency over flashy features that age poorly, and Edmunds heavily rewards that approach when ranking vehicles meant to be lived with for a decade or more. The hybrid versions are where the RAV4 really earns its place on this list. Real-world fuel economy hovering near 40 miles per gallon dramatically lowers long-term fuel costs, especially compared to traditional gas SUVs in the same class. And unlike full EVs, there's no range anxiety, no charging infrastructure stress, and no uncertainty about long-term battery replacement costs. Then there's resale value, one of the Toyota RAV4's quiet superpowers. These vehicles simply don't depreciate the way many competitors do. Even years down the line, used Toyota RAV4S command strong prices, which directly impacts total cost of ownership. That depreciation resistance is a big reason Edmunds continues to rank it so highly. For buyers who want more punch, the Toyota RAV4 Prime flips the script entirely. It delivers acceleration that rivals far more expensive luxury SUVs, while still offering electric-only driving for short commutes. It's a rare example of performance and efficiency coexisting without sacrificing reliability. The Toyota RAV4 doesn't try to impress you on a test drive with gimmicks. It impresses you 5 years later when it still runs flawlessly, costs less to insure, uses less fuel, and holds its value better than most alternatives. That's why, even without excitement, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 keeps winning, and why Edmunds keeps ranking it among the very best SUVs you can buy. And if you think reliability can't come with real luxury, the next SUV proves otherwise. The 2026 Lexus TX 350 hours. Luxury without the usual penalties. The 2026 Lexus TX 350 hours earns its second place on Edmunds' list by doing something luxury SUVs rarely do, delivering comfort and refinement without turning ownership into a financial gamble. This is Lexus stepping away from old-school excess and focusing instead on what actually matters long-term: reliability, efficiency, and resale value. At its core, the TX 350 hours benefits from Toyota's proven hybrid technology, which immediately separates it from European luxury competitors. Real-world fuel economy is strong for a 3-row SUV, and more importantly, the powertrain is designed to last. No complex turbo setups chasing performance numbers, no experimental tech that ages poorly, just smooth, predictable operation that Edmunds consistently rewards in long-term evaluations. Inside, the TX delivers the quiet, comfortable driving experience buyers expect from Lexus. The materials feel premium without being fragile. The layout is intuitive, and the third row is genuinely usable for adults. It's a vehicle designed for real families, not just short test drives. Edmunds places heavy weight on usability, and this SUV doesn't fall apart once all the seats are occupied. From an ownership cost perspective, this is where the TX 350 hours really shines. Lexus vehicles historically depreciate far less than most luxury SUVs, and insurance costs tend to stay reasonable thanks to strong safety ratings and predictable repair profiles. For buyers who you want luxury without worrying about massive repair bills 5 or 7 years down the line, that matters. The 2026 Lexus TX 350 hours isn't flashy, and it doesn't try to be. It's calm, efficient, and engineered to age well. Exactly the kind of SUV Edmunds elevates when ranking the very best options you can buy for 2026. The Honda CR-V Hybrid, the mainstream reliability winner. Edmunds ranked the 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid as the single best SUV you can buy in 2026 because it delivers what matters most over time: stress-free ownership. This is the SUV people buy when they want something that works every single day, costs less to live with, and doesn't surprise them 5 years down the road. Honda's hybrid system is a big reason this model stands out. It offers excellent real-world fuel economy without forcing buyers into the uncertainty of a full electric vehicle. There's no range anxiety, no charging infrastructure learning curve, and no concern about how the vehicle will age long-term. For Edmunds, that balance between efficiency and predictability matters. Reliability is where the CR-V hybrid quietly dominates. Honda's powertrains have a long track record of durability, and the CR-V's simple, proven design avoids unnecessary complexity. That translates into lower repair risk as mileage climbs and ownership costs that stay predictable. Exactly the kind of factors Edmunds weighs heavily when ranking the best SUVs, not just the newest ones. The interior isn't flashy, and that's intentional. Everything is laid out logically, visibility is excellent, and comfort is prioritized over gimmicks. It's an SUV designed to be driven daily, not admired from a distance. Insurance costs also tend to remain reasonable thanks to strong safety performance and a reputation insurers understand well. Resale value is where the CR-V hybrid quietly dominates. It holds its value better than most competitors, keeping total ownership costs low, whether you keep it for a decade or sell it down the road. A key reason Edmunds consistently ranks it at the very top.